spacious living and dining area. This is your kitchen area where you will be getting your second master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Arham Maurya by Mahavir Group located in Chembur. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And also this is the actual land parcel where you can see the construction is in full swing. Now, I will take you to the main road and show you the neighborhood of the project. As you can see, this is the entrance of the project and over here is the main road and the neighborhood. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.75 acres that will have 2 towers with ground plus 14 stories having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences, and also Jodi options are available. Talking about the amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities with gym, senior citizen zone, jogging track, kids play area and many more. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at RC Marg Chembur, from where Chembur railway station is only at a distance of 5 minutes walk, Chembur monorail station is only at a distance of 2-minute walk, Eastern Express Highway is only at a distance of 2 minutes drive and BKC is only at a distance of 15 minutes drive. Also, you have school, colleges and hospital within 1 kilometer from the project. To know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. Now, we are standing outside the 3 BHK of Arham Maurya. As you can see, we are standing at the actual lobby of the project. This is the actual floor where you will be getting 4 flats, 3 lifts and 1 staircase on each floor. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1101 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, first on the door, you will be getting biometric locks. This will be your foyer area and you will also be getting video door phone provided at the entrance. Over here, this is your spacious living and dining area. You can place your sofa, center tables and customize your TV unit in the living. As you can see, you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all the furniture in the living. You will be getting half French windows with the glass facade that will give you a beautiful view of your neighborhood, and the glass facade provides you safety. Over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table to enjoy meals with your family. May I mention, this flat is a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. Moving forward, first, this is your kitchen area where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. You can customize your lower cabinets and your upper cabinets. You will be getting a stainless steel sink and you also have space provided to place your washing machine and refrigerator in this corner. Now, let me move and show you the first master bedroom of this 3 BHK. This side we have a first master bedroom that has a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. And to the right of the entrance of this master bedroom, we have the attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. This is the space of your first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious to place your king size bed, side tables and customize your wardrobe over here. As you can see, the wardrobe space provided is a niche wardrobe space that gives your bedroom a bigger look. You can also customize your makeup corner over here, customize your TV units and study corner, and you will also be getting half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom. Now let's move to the other bedrooms. This is your alley area that has entrance to your second master bedroom and the common bedroom. Right beside the kitchen, we have a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king or queen size bed, customize your wardrobe over here, and you can also customize your TV unit and study corners. As you can see, the bedroom is very spacious. You have walkable space left even after placing your beds and the furniture. You will be getting half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom as well. And right opposite to the common bedroom, we have a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the second and the largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you will get a foyer area over here as well to give your bedroom full privacy. This is the space of your second master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size beds along with the side tables, and as you can see, you have plenty of space on one side of the bed where you can customize your makeup corner or your study corner and make this your seating corner as well. You will be getting half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom. Over here, you can customize your wardrobes and TV unit. And over here, you will have the attached washroom that is also very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Arham Maurya. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching videos for so long now. How do you like the videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Arham Maurya by Mahavir Group located in Chembur.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.